Like he made this video for some free views on TikTok. That's what I'm thinking. Maybe I'm wrong. Oh, you can already tell this one's gonna be good. Here we go.
Roblox hacker stories be like.
Okay.
If you play Roblox, stop scrolling. There is a new hacker. His name is Slapmon189, and he is said to be one of the most dangerous hackers in all of Roblox.
Oh
In
no!
1258, he hacked Adopt Me, Brookhaven, Piggy Me, Epsody, Dog,
Wait,
Murder
it's 12:58. Wait, what?
Mystery Royal High, and Pet Simulator X.
Uh-huh.
If you join his game, you will hear this creepy sound.
Accurate. That's 100% accurate. Every single TikTok video is like that. Oh, we got